Hello and welcome back to another. Oops, I don't have my slippers. Oh, I washed them yesterday and I kept it upstairs. Here's my slippers. Nice. We'll hunt for snakies also. Aye. Where are the stones? What is Papa trying to make? Support of the bean. Okay, standing stick for the beans so that the beans can lean on it. Nice. And I am here in search of pebbles. Why? Because I'm a hunter now. I am going to hunt anything and everything along my way. James is a hunter. Guys, if you know how to shoot this catapult, let me know in the comments how to hold the catapult in the right way. Because when I was a kid, I used to be a good hunter, but as time goes on, I have become noob and noob each day. Noober and noober. People become more experienced and expert, but I become noober and noober. So many ammo for my gun. Okay, now let's go and see if I can see any head to give headshot. Any heads around? I'll become Snaky Head Hunter very soon, officially. I'll rename myself James the Snaky Head Hunter. And so many people throwing bottles and garbage again. This is sad. Why is there no snaky after I got my catapult? What is this behavior? Who gave them the news? Who told the snakes that I have a catapult? One of my subscribers is a traitor because they informed the snakies that I have got a catapult because I did not tell the snakes. I told only you guys. So there's a mole in the community, guys. Now, if you know the mole, guys, in the comment section, let me know who did that. Who informed the snakies? Even the doggos ran away, far away. Oh, their mommy. Let's go to mommy. Sunny day, sunny day. It's not fully wintering, but it's 11 and it's not hot, so I guess it's working. And the house looks whitey from the side. And that house looks curl. Oh, mommy stealing hangam. Eh, not stealing because the owner is also here. Hangam giveaway. Yella. We call it yella in Manipuri. So we're gonna have yella today. And this is maize. Corn or maize. That's a vast open land. So if you want to buy, I think this area is open for sale. There, the cow area. Because there is already a boundary near the cows. They made it as a plot. So it's not that far from our house. It's just there. And it's a peaceful area if you want. And like there's a small market up there called Tarabari. And if you go that way, you get Naxalbari. It's not that far. In like Toto, you can reach 10 rupees that side, 5 rupees this side. This side you can just walk. It's not far. Yeah, even to Naxalbari, we used to walk. It's 1.5 kilometers, so it will be a good exercise if you want. I'm unable to find any snaky or doggo. Spidey. Why am I so evil? Sad life. Ta-da, ta-da. Guys, wintering. Mommy sitting in the sun.
Yes. Today sun is very
Dim. Sad sunlight. Where? There. Oh, we can look at the sun directly.
Very cloudy, no? That's why.
Yeah.
I think it will rain near future.
How will you prepare that? Dry
I'll
fry?
try.
No ras, okay?
I'll make dal and this.
Okay.
It will be very
Guys,
tasty.
any yella lover in the comment
See?
section?
Very tender wala yella. Very tasty.
Guys, this one. The government gave us the tap, but no water. Sad life.
Water is on the process.
Water is flowing for other houses, even there everywhere.
Somewhere only. That side there is no water. They said this morning I asked. They said no water. Only they put tap.
Oh.
There is no water.
Only tap, no water. But there was overflowing there one, and they came to fix it. And some people got water on that side. Maybe this side they have not released yet. Oh yeah, even that house they got water. But here, पानी नहीं भाई, खाली है. 12:21. Entering Jay's room is permanent. Jay is sleeping permanent. Oh, and guys, we got this new ironing board, ironing table. So, staying iron is permanent. Suraj Kajibits. I still haven't packed my stuffs. Monday we're leaving and I have not packed anything yet. I don't know what to carry, what not to carry. I don't know, it's confusing, man. Because we are going to spend few days in Delhi, so it's wintering there. Freaking cold wintering, and then in Thailand, what the heck? It is summering, so have to pack both clothes for wintering and also for summering. And then we cannot leave the clothes in Delhi. We need to carry it to Thailand and then bring it back. So it's gonna be heavy. So I'll not carry much clothes, much warm clothes. Maybe one jacket, maximum 2 jackets, maximum. Yeah. The rest will be for summer, shorts and t-shirts and shirts and everything. Four people, golmal. Golmal hai bhai, sab golmal hai. The time is 9:01 and it's time for lunch. So this is the hangam yela. Mom fried it with tomato, and we have tomato achar, metta, and dahi and dal. That's it, guys, and lemon. Entering J room is again permanent. Yay! Yay! Why are you not waking up today? Huh? Maybe he forgot. It is wintering and it is already bright outside, and we have had our lunch already, and the time is 1:22. What happened to your mouth? Why is there no voice? Tommy Tommy. So guys, we'll pack saman today. We'll start to pack, and here in this red trolley luggage, Jay and I are going to pack our stuffs here. From Delhi, I need to change. I will get another luggage in Delhi. Anyways, so it's wintering properly today. It's already 1 and the sun is still not hot. And yeah, the weather inside Jay's room is fine because this is winter room. Sun goes directly to his bed every time. It looks awesome. That's why he's lazy. He's not waking up today. What is Jay doing, guys? Jay working out! Yeah! Wow! Muscle. Check his biceps, guys. Wow! Girls in the comment section are fainting. Oh ho ho! Girls in the comment section fainting because of Jay's exercise. What a body! What a body! Wow! Non-stop happening. Wow! What? Why did you stop? Oh, toothpaste in his mouth, guys. Brushing and oh, what the unnecessary. We need to pack our stuffs. Where is Jay? Where's the red luggage? Where did you take it? Oh, here is Jay. What happened to your bag? What's inside? Oh, Jay's old clothes, guys. Unwashed, unfiltered. Wow. Oh, this looks like the hoodie which I gave it away. This was 2 green flags, so I gave it away. Wow, so wintering. From tomorrow, I think we'll see some haze and snowfall. Just kidding. We don't get snowfall, guys. So we'll try to pack everything in that small bag. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. What a noise, what a noise. If we don't fit all in here, we'll have to carry it in a backpack also. Okay. I have this backpack from far ago. One of my old companies gave it to me once upon a time. I still have it. I will have to pack some things here which can't be fit here. Carry that one till Delhi only. After that, we'll see what happens. Okay. Let's see what's in there. What's inside of this. If you have many girlfriends, you can split earphones and listen with 5 girlfriends. Oh, only 4 girlfriends. One will be yours. see what else is in here. Oh, sunglasses. Oh, my trimmer and lock and the key. Oh, earphones, Bluetooth wireless. What receipt is this? What bill is this? Oh, Adda 99. What did I carry in my bag? What did I carry? Oh, 2 rupees. 2 rupees only. Is that all?
Hey, don't do the head. Do it in your room.
Nothing else, guys. Nothing else matters. I'm not that rich, so my bag don't have money. Only 2 rupees. Oh, I'll need this one to secure the luggage. It won't stop the enemies, but it at least it will slow them down. All right, so this is everything I'm going to take. That's for Delhi trip. This is for Thailand, and that's for airport lounge. That's a blanket, because on our way back we'll have 8 hours of resting time at the airport, because we'll reach at 10 baje at night in Delhi, and we'll leave by 8 in the morning. So until then we'll have to sleep in the lounge, so we'll need the blanket. The rest is for the trip. This one's for Thailand, and that one's for Thailand. This, and I'm confused if I should take this red
All of
paper
this?
shoes. Yeah. Yeah. This one's for I don't know where it can fit. I have 3 pairs of shoes. That's it. So this is everything. I need to fix the button. I lost the button here.
2, 3,
4,
4,
5.
5.
1 day each. 5 days in Thailand, 5 shirts. And for the pants, you guys won't notice. So there are 3 shorts, 1 full. This will go with this one for fine dining along with the belt. So I need this. And for Delhi, 2 jackets, more than enough. 3 days. I don't care, even if I repeat. This is what I'm going to wear when I stay at home, when I'm not roaming around. And this one's while sleeping. And this one's also for while at home. Awesome. Ding! So I have packed all of my things here. I have occupied half the space of the luggage. And I still need to pack 2 jackets and my shoes. I'll carry them in my backpack.
You think I'll fit mine in that space?
You need to fit, because I fit in half.
Yes!
Half yours.
You said you'll carry everything in your backpack.
No, I said half mine.
No,
Yes.
that's not happening.
I don't care.
That's not
You need to
happening.
fit yours in half.
No,
That's how it's supposed to be.
no,
Sad life.
no.
I don't
That's not
care.
happening. I'm taking it out.
I don't care.
तेरो backpack में नहीं है क्या है backpack में से?
Jacket and shoes.
Sheesh. तो blanket है.
And towel. My backpack will be full, man. 2 pair of shoes, jacket, and my towel and other essential items. And the time is 4:21 already. It's getting late, guys. Let's pack for hurry up. Yay! Jay is gaming. I packed my things. So Jay is not allowed to remove anything. If he removes, guys, call him in the comment section. He's playing Uncharted. Uncharted accountant. Okay. Let's see the winter outside. It's finally wintering. Wow. Check this freaking thing out. Time is only 4:30 and it's so wintering. Yay, finally! There's dhuse everywhere. Dhuse is fog. So far away in the distance there is fog. And once upon a time it will be all cold and snowflakes. Unrelated items. So from tomorrow it will be very cold. Today is the last day of not so cold day. So I'm still wearing single shirt. Hopefully from tomorrow I'll have to wear double shirt and t-shirt. So yeah, that's it for today. Packing done. Very excited to go to Delhi first, and then after that, let's go.